Hey everyone! Today, I'm going to show you step-by-step how to delete visited websites from your Google Chrome browser. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know exactly how to clear out those sites from your history, whether for privacy, tidiness, or just a fresh start. If you've ever wanted to erase your browsing trail or just remove a few visits, you're in the right place. Let's dive right in, and I'll walk you through it. So first things first, go ahead and open up Google Chrome. It doesn't matter if you're on Windows, Mac, or even a Chromebook. The steps are going to look just about the same. At the very top right of your Chrome window, you'll see a little icon that looks like 3 tiny dots stacked vertically. This is often called the More or Menu button. Go ahead and click on that. Don't worry if you're not used to exploring beyond your normal browsing. Think of this menu as Chrome's control center, where you can adjust all sorts of settings, and today, we're focusing on your browsing history. After you hit the 3 dots menu, a drop-down will pop up with a whole list of options. Now, look for the one labeled More. If you hover your mouse over this or click it, you should see another set of options appear. Among these, you'll find History. Click on History. In some versions, you might need to click History twice, once in the menu, and then again on the next panel. This opens up a new tab showing all the websites you've recently visited. Some people are surprised by just how much is listed here, but don't worry, that's normal. Now, here's where you get to be selective. You'll see a full list of everything Chrome has tracked, and next to each site, there's a little checkbox. This is where you can pick and choose what you want to delete. Maybe you're clearing out just a couple of sites for privacy, or you're cleaning up a whole batch after a research binge. Take your time scrolling through. Remember, you don't have to delete everything. If you only want to remove specific sites, just check the boxes beside those entries. For example, if you visited a shopping site while planning a surprise gift or checked out a site you'd rather not have in your history, this is the perfect time to select those. Once you've checked the boxes next to the websites you want to delete, take a look at the top right corner of your history page. You'll see an option that either says Delete or Remove. They mean the same thing. Go ahead and click on that. Chrome might ask for a quick confirmation just to make sure you really want to remove those items. If it does, just confirm your choice, and those sites will instantly disappear from your browsing history. If you only select a few, only those will be gone. If you need to clear more, you can repeat the process. Easy as that. And that's all there is to it. Your Google Chrome history is now tidied up to your liking. Remember, managing your history isn't just about privacy. It also helps keep your browser organized. And sometimes, it can even speed up performance by clearing out old entries. If any step in this video gave you pause or you have questions about doing this on another device, just let me know in the comments below. I read every one, and I'm here to help. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video. Drop a comment if you still have any questions or suggestions for future topics. And of course, subscribe for more easy tech tips just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.